So today is Friday. What do you think about my cup? My husband got me. Don't be a salty bitch. It's got the little the salt thing, you know, the salt that you get in the containers that you pour into your salt containers. I'm just stumbled for words this morning. I'm starved to death. I don't look like I'm starved to death, but I'm hungry. Let's get you back a little bit there. I'm gonna make me, I think, a bowl of oatmeal here in just a little bit. First things first, I've got to get started on my dogs. I told you in the last vlog that I was going to be making some nice little treats for my dogs to mix in with their dog food. I like to give them a little bit of moist food with their dry food in the morning, kind of like a treat. They love it. They go crazy. So I had this brainstorm. My son told me that he makes treats like this for his dog, so that's what I'm gonna do. I bought a whole cut up chicken that I'm going to cook, and I'm gonna add some chicken stock, and once I get the chicken cooked, I'm gonna make some throw some brown rice in there, a little bit of frozen peas and carrots, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. I'm gonna mix it in with their dog food in the morning, so it's better for them than that. At least you know what's going into it. It's better for them than you know, like the, I don't use the Alpo. I've never used the Alpo. I used the Alpo with Zoe, and she had an allergic reaction to it. And but the pedigree and little Caesars and stuff like that I usually mix it in. But this is going to be much better for them, and they're going to like it so much better. All right, I've already got my chicken washed, and it's already cut up, so I'm just going to add it right to the pot here. Look at that nice big chicken breast. Look at that. Look at those big pieces of chicken. And all this was only $7 and some change. Add that right in there. I gotta wash my hands. All right, I'm gonna add a can of chicken stock. I'd add more than just one, but that's all I have. But that's okay, because I'm gonna use some bouillon. Add that right in the pan. And then I'm gonna add some water as well. I want enough to come up over the chicken, so it'll, you know, it can cook nicely. I probably have to add 2 of these. And then I'm gonna add a couple of the, about 2 or 3, or maybe 4 of the chicken bouillon cubes. They're gonna, you gotta take care of your babies. I'm not gonna put any salt or anything in this, pepper. I'm not gonna spice it up with anything. It's just gonna be very bland, just chicken and rice and vegetables. And they're gonna love me so much for this. Yeah, I'm turning that up on high just until it starts to cook. Now it's time for a little breakfast. I think I'm just gonna do a little oatmeal today. All right, I got me a nice big bowl of oatmeal made. I love oatmeal. I need to start eating healthier, I swear. Every time I look in the mirror, I beat myself up. I go on a low-carb diet, I lose weight, and then as soon as I go off of it, it's like you just puff out like a big puffer fish again. It's so frustrating. I'm just gonna have to get some type of eating habits. I can't help it. I love my sweets. I love chocolate. I swear. You cut my leg open and chocolate will run out, not blood. But I've got to get something together. I have no self-control when it comes to chocolate. I can't help it. And people say, oh yeah, you can help it. No, I can't help it. I love it. I'm addicted to it. I mean, I know how to eat healthy. I just choose not to. I like salads and stuff like that, but I like them. I don't like to be made to eat them. Now, I mean, I love salad. And I can eat it, but if I'm eating it because I think that I'm dieting and that's all I can have, it's like, I don't want this salad. But, you know, there's a lot of different things you can put in it to make them even better. But I love oatmeal. Let me get it on my lips. Good. This is the brown rice that I bought. I bought Minute Rice to go with my dog's food back there. It's on the stove and it's coming to a boil and it already smells so good. And you know, it's gonna be something that if we wanted to eat it, we could. Now, how many of y'all can pop open a can of dog food and say the same thing? But they're gonna be really happy. It's Friday. And it's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now, and I've already showered, ready for the day. I've done 3 loads of laundry. Was on my second cup of coffee, but when I have oatmeal, I have to have milk. I don't know why that is. If you have not, you know what? I don't even have this out yet. My apples, I done some baked apples the other day. Oh my God. Done like a crumble to go on top of it. I only done 2 apples, which made 4 pieces, and my daughter ate 2 of them. I ate 1 and she ate 1, and they are he ate, my husband ate 1. They off the chain now. It's like a little piece of pie, just in an apple. It's so good. But I think I'll get that video up sometime later today. I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. Guess what? So excited. I got somebody to work for me the 22nd, so I don't have to miss Olivia's homecoming, which I wasn't going to miss it anyway. I done made that clear. But I found somebody to pick up that night for me, so I'm absolutely tickled to death. I don't know, maybe we can go, I can take him out to eat, because neither one of them's got their license yet. Maybe take him, have a nice dinner before homecoming, and you know, maybe get up and go early that morning, get her hair done, her nails done, and whatever she wants to do, you know. She is my little princess. But I'm going to jump off here and eat my oatmeal, and I'll show you the dog food stuff that I'm making when I get that together, when the chicken's done cooking. Alright, so I've taken the chicken out and I've shredded it up. I got rid of all the bones and all of the skin, because I heard the skin's not good for them. But I cooked this on top of the stove for about an hour and a half, so it's nice and tender. Let's see what they think. Let's see what Daisy Mae thinks. One bite. Girl, that is kid tested there. Here, Roscoe. Come here, baby. Not for you, Daisy. Get down. That's for Roscoe. Get down. Oh, they love it. They love it. Now that we got the broth boiling again, I'm putting my shredded chicken back in there. They're going to love this. Like I said, I made sure that all the bones and the skin was gone. And then we're going to add a cup of the... Whoa! You see that? A cup of the peas and carrots. Well, you know what? Got a little bit more of that. Got a little bit more. I like it. Then we're going to add some brown rice. We're going to add about a cup of brown rice. We're going to give that a stir. Ha, I'm doing this like I'm doing a cooking video. You know what? That looks pretty darn good. You guys could make this for yourselves, not just for your dogs if you wanted to. It's all good stuff. Chicken, chicken stock, rice, peas, and carrots. This is for my puppies. You know what? Let's put just a little bit more rice in there. There we go. Now when it comes back up to a boil, I'm going to put the lid on it and I'm going to set it to the back of the stove and let that instant rice do its magic. It smells good up in here. Mmm, yummies. It smells good. They're spoiled. Alright, it's boiling. I'm going to put the lid on it. What is that floating out of there? It's a piece of rice. And I'm going to turn it off. Push it back. I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? They're going to love that. And that's like, you know, all fantastic ingredients there. And now we're going to do a taste test. Come over here. We're going to do a taste test. We're going to taste this stuff. Come on over here. Let's try it. All right, we're going to do a taste test. Look how yummy that looks. Yeah, I've got a spoon. Because like I told you, this is chicken and rice, chicken stock, and peas and carrots. So, I'm tasting my dog's food. I'm trying it. They're gonna love it. It's good. Alright, who wants to go first? Is it May? Who's first? Now don't be like that. You gotta try a little bit of everything. You gotta try, get a little broth. Get a little broth. I'll try it. What you think? Look at the camera. Daisy, look baby. Look up here. Look at the camera. Tell them what you think. Roscoe wanna try it too. Roscoe wanna try it too. Now let Roscoe. Roscoe's turn. Get back. You can't have all the bites. Get back. God bless America. See, that's how good it is. She can't wait her turn. Let Roscoe have a bite. Here, get back. So we're just gonna go ahead and spoon feed this to them. They like it. They like all of it. Look at that. Roscoe, what you think about it? He says he don't know. He didn't get much of a bite. Get back. You gotta be patient. Get back. Give him some. I'd say that's, I think they're gonna give me 2 paws up. What you think? Let's get another bite. Roscoe likes peas. Get back. Get back. You don't share very well. Get back here, baby. Here. I never seen a beat. One more bite. Listen out there. Listen at her chopping it. You know, if I really want to make this video go viral, I'd take a bite too after I gave them a bite, but I'm not gonna do that. Here, here's your butt. Whoa, patience. Wait. Daisy's loving it. Here, Roscoe. Get back. No, it's Roscoe's turn. Get back. Come here, baby. Come up here. Not you. There you go. Get some peas. Some peas good for you, girl. Some peas are good for you. Come here, baby. Your turn. Daggone it. Do you see that? Hurry, little baby. Hurry. she don't share very well. Get you another bite real quick. That's some good stuff. Here, baby. One bite for you. Here, Roscoe, you can lick the bowl. She had a lot more than you had. All right. Well, I would say 2 thumbs up, 2 paws up. Kid tested, mother approved. What do you think about that? This is going to be so healthy for them, you know, and I would love for you. If you have animals, go ahead and make this for them. They will love you for it. Oh, somebody left a carrot. Very good carrot. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.